Okay, this is following on from the last tutorial about the insertion of chain hoist or even dead hang kind of elements in order to read the X and Y of a worksheet. So that was covered. So this little bit here, this very, very short thing, will be how to change the type of hoist. So this is a half-ton chain master down. I don't want it to be a half-ton chain master down. I want it to be one of the Kinesis or lift kit motors that we have in stock, or you could have your own kind, and it's quite easy to make them read properly on the worksheet. So as soon as I place this in the drawing, if I look at my resource manager and my open file, you'll see there's a hoist, the hoist symbol that I placed in there, which is the half-ton chain master down. If I duplicate that, okay, and this time we're going to call it Kinesis, and you'll see that I've now got a separate one. I'm going to move this into the hoist symbols folder, and in my hoist folder symbol, and I have Kinesis, and because I put the hoist origin symbol in the last tutorial, then that's there as well, as long as some other 3D elements, but this is the thing I'm interested in. So if I delete that now and I go back to my hoist tool, rather than choosing something from the default hoist tune chain symbols, this library, brilliant library of all sorts of amazing things in it, but not the Kinesis or the lift kits I'm looking for, rather than going there, if I look in my open files in my hoist symbols, I will see my Kinesis. So I can then select that and use that to place my Kinesis, and I can see in the hoist type in the right hand side there, I can see Kinesis, and then I can now give it a label. Let's be the upstage LX truss, and I can maybe even change some of the other data in here as well. So that would allow you then to have a more accurate report when you're making your worksheet. So really, really simple to make your own symbols. Just duplicate the ones that are brought in by default, rename them, and shift them into your open file library, the hoist symbols within the file that you're using. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. I should have just added that onto the end of the last tutorial, but I'm always concerned I'll make a mistake and then have to do the whole thing again. So that was a really quick little one of how to make your own custom symbols.